Welcome to the project demonstration of Respinos, a portable device for remote vital sign monitoring of COVID-19 patients. So here we are going to get the COVID-19 patients health parameters like respiration rate from this pyrometer and heartbeat and SpO2 from this max 30100 sensor and temperature from this DS18B20 temperature sensor. So these four parameters continuously monitored by our UNO board, and that will be displayed on the LCD screen, and if is there any abnormality detected, then the buzzer will get switched on. Coming to the abnormal ratings, for respiration 45 BPM is a limit. Coming to the heart rate, 100 beats per minute is a limit, and SpO2 93 below and 85 above, it's a respiration abnormal rate. And coming to the temperature, 100 degree Fahrenheit. So based on these four abnormality rates, the buzzer will get switched on as an audible alert. And also the so-called data continuously upload to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform with help of this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. And this is the PIC microcontroller PIC16F72. Using this, we are going to sending the respiration rate to the Arduino Uno in serial communication. So the purpose of this controller is it will acting as a driver between the respiration rate sensor, spirometer, and a microcontroller Arduino Uno. As Arduino Uno can't handle the two major sensors in our project, max 30100 and respiration spirometer. These two are the major sensors, so it can't handle the it takes time to get the read from these two sensors. That's why we place this as a mediated driver, and these are the previous readings which we got from the module. So the field 1 is heart rate in BPM, SpO2 in percentage, temperature in degree Fahrenheit, respiration in breaths per minute. So before on the gate, let me explain the connections. So we have interfaced this pyrometer at the A4 pin of our PIC16F72, and the output is from the B02 receiving pin of our UNO board. And next ESP8266 to upload the data to the ThinkSpeak interface at the pin number 8 and 9, and LCD display at pin number 2 to pin number 7, and max 30100 at pin number A4, A5, A0 for this temperature sensor, buzzer at 12th pin. So here this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input and output modules. So from this adapter we are providing 230 volts AC input, and output from this adapter is 5 volts DC output. So we have placed here, and throughout this board we are distributing through the parallel communication underneath PCB. So directly the 5 volts is distributed to the input and output and to the controller also. So before on the kit, the first setup is we need to change the hotspot settings of your phone. So in your Android mobile phone, go to hotspot settings and change the hotspot name to project 5753 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. So some phones will show you for the select AP band, that should be 2.4 gigahertz. So these three are the main settings. And after that, on the hotspots and data, and log into the ThinkSpeak. So right, for clear data presentation, I can erase this data. So but before erasing the data, you can download them. For that, data import export section, download the data. So it will get downloaded in Excel sheet format, and you can open. So we can see the first column is date and time. Right, date and time, and second column is how many entries till now it captured. So till now we have captured around 80 readings, and the field 1 is going to be the heart rate, SpO2, temperature, and respiration rate. So after we got the data downloaded, then go to channel settings, data import export. To download the data, channel settings, in that only do clear channel, don't do delete or don't do any other settings, only clear channel. Right, then go to private view. So there we see the total old data got erased. Now on the power supply, so on the hotspots you can clear the channel if you want, and now on the kit, and we can blow the air into this pipe directly. And place the finger on the sensors. Whenever the SpO2 is showing the 90 above, then only we can consider the heart rate. Now I am increasing my respiration rate. Right. So the data uploaded to the ThinkSpeak for every 15 seconds of duration. So let me increase the temperature also. So whenever it crosses the 100 Fahrenheit, then we will get the abnormal alert. So when we click on the dots, we can get the exact parameters, date and time for SpO2 also. Right.